guys, in today's video I'm going to create this party makeup look using new makeup products. These are newly launched products which I haven't tried before and are extremely affordable. So let's get started. So the first product that I'll be using today is Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation SPF 25. This claims to have buildable coverage, blurs imperfection, create even skin tone and keeps skin hydrated. Comes with a convenient pump packaging, definitely feels very liquidy and lightweight. It is available in 7 different shade range. The shade that I'll be using is Honey, comes with yellow undertone. This foundation also claims to suit all skin type, highly pigmented, long lasting and waterproof. After the first application, I feel that it has given me very sheer coverage. It has not evened out my skin tone and my pigmentation is clearly visible. So I'm going in with another layer, and after the second layer also it didn't do much for my skin, but honestly I really like the matte finish of this foundation and how actually the foundation sits on my skin. It definitely has a very mild fragrance that fades away after the first application. Moving on to the next product, which is Blue Heaven HD all-in-one makeup stick. It can be used as a foundation to get the perfect base, concealer to blur imperfection, color corrector to correct undertone, and contour to highlight your best feature. It can be blended using your fingertip or a beauty blender. It comes in 6 different shade range, and the shade that I'll be using is Honey, which is for medium skin tone. I'll be using it as a concealer to conceal my dark circle and dark spots. Honestly, after blending the concealer, I find that the concealer was moving a lot, and I like my concealer to be a bit dry so that it sits on a particular place. But I like the fact that it has given me full coverage and feels very comfortable on my skin. Moving on to the next product, which is Blue Heaven Oil Control Compact Powder, comes with SPF 25. It claims to mattify your makeup, smoothen skin, and gives you a full coverage. Comes with a puff and a mirror. After applying the powder, definitely it has mattified my makeup and given a full coverage. Also, it feels very lightweight, which I really like about this powder. Shade that I'm using is Honey, which is for medium skin tone. This retails for 165 rupees, which is very affordable for the packaging which they have provided. So the next product is Blue Heaven Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil and Comb. This one is in shade Ash Grey. It comes in a packaging of 0.30 gram, retails for 175 rupees. There's another shade available which is Honey Brown, and I like to brush my eyebrows first downwards and then just fill in the gaps in my eyebrow and then brush it upwards after filling in, and that's how I like to do my brows, and in no time it has given me a fuller brow. I'm going to do it off the camera, the second brow. So the next product is Blue Heaven Intense Kajal Plus Liner Duo. You get eyeliner and kajal in one single packaging, which I think is really great. So today I'll be using the eyeliner, and honestly it was so difficult to apply this eyeliner. It was not coming out. The pigmentation is bad and it was super dry. I had to literally drag the eyeliner to apply it, but still it was not coming out. So off the camera I have applied another eyeliner and have finished the look. Seriously, really disappointed. So the last product is Extreme Length Mascara, retails for 150 rupees. It claims to stay up to 12 hours, dries quickly, waterproof and no clumping. Feels lightweight. Definitely after application, I feel that it has given me fuller lashes, easy to apply and looks very defined. And that's it for today's video. This is the final look. Overall, I love the products. All of the products that I use from Blue Heaven are made in India and are cruelty free. I love the Hyper Matte Foundation and all-in-one compact powder. Also, I love the Extreme Length Mascara and the Brow Enhancer. So that's it guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section down below which other brand makeup tutorial you want to see next on my channel, and I'll do that for you. Also, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you guys are notified every time I'm uploading a new video. And I love you guys a lot for always supporting me. keep supporting, keep loving, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.